Suresh, many happy returns of the day. Enjoy the day.
Hi Mr. Suresh, many happy returns of the day. Have a wonderful day. God bless.
We'll go to our account sheet. Hi guys. Hi. Hi, Maisa.
Hi Nitin, how are you?
Yeah, good. I'm good. Yeah.
Yes, I forgot. CEO's birthday is there.
Yes.
I need to wish him. So, on this day, we extend our heartfelt wishes for very happy birthday, sir. Your leadership, vision, and dedication continue to inspire all of us, and we are grateful to be a part of this journey under your guidance. So, once again, happy birthday. Thank you.
Oh, guys, procurement team. Hi. Thank you. Hi, team.
Hi sir. Hi sir. Many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Dear Suresh sir, we wish you a happy birthday filled with happiness, good health and success. Happy birthday Suresh sir.
Happy birthday, Suresh sir.
Wish you very happy birthday, sir, from Design Department.
Happy birthday sir.
Many more happy returns of the day, sir. I wish you a year filled with blessings, happiness, success, both professionally and personally. You have been an inspiration to me, and I feel really privileged to work under your guidance. Thank you, sir.
Hi Suresh. On behalf of Finance and Accounts team, I wanted to take a moment to wish you a really happy birthday. May God bless you, achieve success, good health, both professionally and personally. Have a nice year ahead. Thank you.
Dear sir, I am wishing you a happy and wonderful birthday. Also wishing you all the success in your life. Thank you.
Go to Anand sir room. Let's see what you want to say. Anand sir.
Hi Nitin.
Hi.
CEO's birthday wish.
Yeah.
Good morning and good moment, sir. Have a fresh, fantabulous, fun-filled birthday filled with worthy sunshine, smiles and more success. Happy birthday. Live life long happiness.
Thank you, Anand sir.
Suresh sir, from Dust Project, happy birthday!
Sir, thanks for trusting from Department. We wish you a
Happy birthday.
Wish you a happy birthday!
Dear Suresh sir, wish you many happy returns of the day and wish you a very happy birthday, and we ensure that CMC will grow under your leadership, and we will try our best to achieve your vision and goal. Thank you very much.
Many more happy returns of the day. Wish you a happy birthday, sir.
Yes sir. Many happy returns of the day. Many more happy returns of the day. Happy birthday Suresh sir.
3, start.
Happy birthday CEO sir.
हैप्पी बर्थडे सीओ सर जी, हम लोगों की तरफ से बहुत बहुत आपको जन्मदिन की शुभकामनाएं।
Happy birthday Suresh sir. Many happy returns of the day sir. God will give you healthy and wealthy life sir. Happy birthday sir.
Happy birthday, sir.
Many happy returns of the day, sir, and hope that you have a great, blessed and healthy life ahead. And once again, happy birthday, sir.
Happy birthday.